I literally just sat down to start filming and the people above us, we live in an apartment, are doing renovations. Okay, it is what it is. I live in an apartment, I have a 2-year-old in the next room, you're gonna hear noises. This is real, it's authentic. Welcome to my channel. My name is Elyse, I'm a mom and a hot mess at this point. Welcome back to my channel. Today what are we doing today? We're going to do the easiest eyeshadow look ever. This is my go-to for fall. So we're gonna use, and you can really do this with any color, but we're gonna do it with fall colors today because it's fall. So let's do it. I like it because it only takes one brush and 2 eyeshadows to do. It's so easy. You can get it done in like 3 minutes if you really need to. I'm starting with my face already done. The only thing left to do is like highlighter and blush. If you want to see a full video of how I get my base, I'm more than happy to do that, but I don't want to waste anyone's time. It's valuable, I understand. So let's get right into it. Let me show you what we're working with. I'm going in for an orange tone eyeshadow today. So I'm going to be working out of the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. It looks like this. This is a new one for me. Let's focus. This is a new one for me in my kit, and I absolutely love it. It's centered there. And I absolutely love it. It is fantastic. Tons of great colors in there. So we're going to be working out of this palette. And then this is a Artist Palette Trio eyeshadow from Makeup Forever. And I don't know what the color is, so I'll have to pop it out, but we're working with this orange color here. These are like, when these came out, I want to say 8 years ago. I could be wrong, but when these came out like 8 years ago, I bought so many of them. Oh my god. There's something about the feeling of the packaging. The shadows are like so good. They're so worth the money. They're huge. Let me show you in comparison to like a MAC blush. They're like the biggest eyeshadows ever. And I actually have another one of these, and 2 out of 3 eyeshadows like cracked and fell out in the midst of a couple moves and stuff since I had them, which is really upsetting. So I'll have to go and restock on them, or if Makeup Forever wants to send me some more, you know, whatever happens, happens. But I really, really love them. So we're gonna be working with this orange shade in here. The brush that you're going to need today is just a fluffy brush. That's it. If you want to do some extra steps, you'll need a small pencil brush, and really, that's it, and your fingers. When I say a brush and 2 shadows, I'm not joking. I am going to show you how to amp it up a little bit. If you are on a budget and would like to continue this look, or you're looking for a really great palette, the e.l.f. Bite size eyeshadow palettes, these are also new in my kit. They're so good. They are these teeny tiny quads, and this one is in Berry Bad. And it's the perfect fall eyeshadow quad. So if you're looking for an eyeshadow quad to try out, it's super user-friendly, really great for beginners or people looking just to stock their kits. I think it was $4. It's $4. It's $1 in eyeshadow. You can't go wrong with that. So that's a really great option. You can do this entire look with this palette. Let's go in, let me bring my table here closer, to the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This palette, if you're looking for a really great fall palette, this is it. And I'm gonna start with the orange shade here, just right here. And I'm going to take that on my fluffy brush. This eyeshadow look is so simple. When I tell you it takes like 2 minutes, I swear this video is gonna be like 5 minutes long because it's all it takes. Oh yeah, you can hear yelling in the background of my 2-year-old and my boyfriend. So, you know, it's real life. You're getting real life on my channel. You're not getting, I mean, the setup is kind of nice, but you're not getting anything fancy. You'll get some animal noises. They're reading something, some animal book in the background. Back and forth, just like this. Tip for if you're blending eyeshadow, the farther back you hold your brush, the better of a blend you're gonna get. So don't choke your brush, don't hold it up here because you're gonna apply a ton of eyeshadow and not be able to blend it out. This is your softer blend. You always want to hold your brush at the furthest part of the brush. It feels weird, you don't feel like you have a lot of control, but trust me, try it, it works. Okay, so there's your eyeshadow. Don't worry about how far down you bring it. You can bring it all the way down your lid if you need to. This eyeshadow look is meant to be done in a hurry, super quick. It's so easy. You just take your brush and blend it, fluff it around. Taking that same brush and that same shadow, you're going to apply it underneath. Again, really smoky. Really just like done. Orange eyeshadow is done. The eyeshadows always look a little crazy until the finished look, so don't judge it yet. Now we're taking our finger with this orange shade here, and we're going to apply that all over our lid. That's really it. You can do this with a gold, you can do it with an orange. I like the monochromatic look, so we're going for this orange tone here. But gold would work the exact same. And applying it with your finger, it's just easiest. Taking our blending brush that we used for that first shadow now, we're going to just go in and blend it all out. I'm gonna go and apply my mascara, come back and do the rest of the face. Now that we've got our mascara on, I'll link everything that I use down in the description bar. It's the exact same that I use every time I do my makeup. We're gonna move on to our blush. And I'm going in with just a really nice warm tone blush. This is Warm Soul by MAC. It's like an absolute classic. Just taking it on an angled brush. And we're going to apply that starting on the backs of our cheeks here. And then we're gonna blend it forwards towards the center. And then a little bit across the nose, it's like my go-to. Okay, lastly, we're going to finish off with the lips. I'm going in with a lip liner. This is NYX lip liner in Mauve, and I'm going to overline my lips as per usual. I'm going in with just a really warm lip. This is Jeffree Star and Morphe liquid lipstick in Leo. And that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a hot mess of a video between the screaming in the background and the cars out in the road in front of us. It has been a wild ride. But welcome to my channel. It's real. This is what happens. It is what it is. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, come say hey, and you can head on over to my Instagram page and follow me there as well. I love to meet everybody who joins. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!